Knife skills. I don't have any. A lot of time my students ask me, well, shouldn't I take a knife skills class before I learn how to cook? My answer is no. I have been cooking for my entire life. My food, I think, and many people think, is delicious, and I have never had any formal training in using knives. And I can promise you that all of the Italian mammas that I learned to cook from in Italy have never had formal training in knife skills either. The only thing I think you do need to learn or know about knives is, first of all, cut with conviction. And as I've said before, love your food as you're cutting it, or as you're making it. I do have a few favorite knives or some suggestions that I would give you in terms of choosing a knife. First of all, I would always have one serrated knife. That means it has a little bit of a jagged edge. That's so that you can get right through through tomato skin and cut tomatoes. Okay, easily like that. Another one, it's always good to have a bread knife so that you can cut bread. And then you want a chef's knife. I mean, here's two different ones. One is smaller than the other, which I can use for smaller things or when this one is dirty. This one is white, it's actually ceramic, and there's these new ceramic knives. I really like them. So find knives that you like. It is good to invest in a few good knives that will make you happy and make cutting easier. And don't get me wrong, I'm sure that if I were to take a knife skills class, I would learn to cut an onion better. But in the meantime, it doesn't affect the food that I make, and it shouldn't affect the food that you make either.